Shenzhen TechWin Precision Machinery Co. Ltd. Auto Special Shaped Insertion Machine. Breakthrough integration of SMT mounting and AI insertion technology, enabling high-speed and precise insertion of through-hole special shaped components. Marble one-piece molding rack. Imported high-precision guide rail lead screw. High-strength aviation-grade aluminium crossbeam. Three-stage guide rail plate transfer system. The machine body adopts a modern industrial high-quality design concept and compact ergonomic structure. Modular high-precision insertion head, Z-axis and R-axis are controlled by independent servo motors. Speed max, 6000 cph. Insertion precision plus or minus 0.0 to 5 mm. PCB board size max. Long 400 weight, 350 mm. Components max, 40*3545 mm. Equipped with a downward-looking recognition system and a high-speed flying recognition system for a component pin. Nozzle or claw stations. Nozzle or claw switches automatically. Component auto insertion avoidance function. Component auto pressure detection function. Dual-sided feeding and dual-sided operation can carry up to 18 feeding mechanisms. Quick programming system. Simple and convenient operation. TechWin builds products with superior quality and leads the future of manufacturing with an perfect customer experience. The leader in intelligent insertion solutions technology, TechWin.